everyone, my name is Arjun and welcome back to my channel. Mother's Day is around the corner, so I'll be surprising my mom with some spongy and tasty blueberry muffins. I love these muffins and I hope my mom loves them too. So let's get into it. So I'll start by taking milk and I'll add in yogurt. Now I'll add in baking powder and baking soda and I'll give it a mix. And I'll put it aside to let it froth. Next, in a large bowl, I'll add in sugar and oil. And I'll give it a mix. Now into this I'll add in vanilla and I'll add in the milk mixture. And I'll sift in the dry ingredients, flour, and a pinch of salt. And I'll sift it. And I'll fold it in. Now I'll add in the star ingredient, the blueberries. And finally, I'll add in some lemon rind. And some lemon juice too. And I'll transfer it to the cupcake liners. And some blueberries on top. I'll pop it in the oven at 180 degrees for around 25 minutes. Hear that? It is done! Ta-da! Let's give it a try. The blueberry feels so fresh and awesome, while the orange gives an awesome tint. Do give it a try. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you.